Biogeography, the study of geographical distribution of plants and animals. Paleontology, the study of prehistoric forms of life through fossils of plants and animals. Evolution, the study of origin and descent of organisms. Genetics, the study of the transmission of body characteristics, both similarities and differences, from parents to offsprings. Parasitology, the study of parasites, that is, the organisms that live on or inside other organisms and draw nourishment from the hosts. Pathology, the study of diseases of plants and animals. Immunology, the science that deals with the phenomena and causes of immunity, that is, resistance to or defense against diseases.
Eugenics, the science which aims to improve the human race through controlled heredity.